Try and play the chord lifts along with me for Senorita. They go like this. I start with my thumb on the third string and my pointer finger underneath the first string. 1, 2, ready, here we go. And then we move on to the next chord. And then we move on to the F lift. And then we move on to the next one. This comes quick. Back to the top. And then we move to the second chord, it goes. And then we move to the F lift. And then we move on to the fourth chord. The next comes quick. Back to the top. Bum ba da dum ba da 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 dee da 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 dum ba dee da 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 dum ba ba da da dum da 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 dum da 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 dum. If you could keep up with me, great, you're ready to play with someone playing the melody or try the melody yourself. If you couldn't keep up yet, maybe try slowing it down or just keep trying to play along. Good luck!